We had a little bit of rain overnight. The ground's damp and we got more on the way. But this is supposed to be pretty quick and then several nice days. Hi Morris, good morning. Hey Stripe. It's 38 out here, so it's not the worst. Our second night of in the 20s air they said we were gonna get didn't actually materialize. Hi sweetheart. I can walk better when you're not between my legs. Come on Tuck, we're gonna walk sooner than later this morning. Good morning. Just don't run us over. I won't. Roller coaster ride first thing in the morning. He's down there on the curve somewhere.
Yeah, I see him. Y'all are moving right along this morning. Nice brisk walk.
Hello. I have gotten a lot more done on the mineral shop this morning. You can see all of the windows are in all the way across both sides. These 4 gray pieces are supposed to be white, and I just don't have that piece in white, and it's a pretty special piece, so something will need to be done about that. I gotta fix that. That just doesn't look the way it should. So, but it's coming along. I have been working on it for a good little bit here. Well, they said it was gonna rain between 1 and 3 today, and guess what? It's raining. Yeah, it's 1:40 p.m. and it's gonna rain here for a couple hours, but hopefully nothing severe scheduled, nothing too bad. I'm just gonna drive around town and play pogo a bit. And Ruby's not clean, so the fact that I'm out in the rain with her doesn't matter. Don's thinking maybe tomorrow or Wednesday he'll get a break from work long enough he can go out there and blast her off, because it's going to be pretty and sunny and nice for a few days. I hope so. I'm back from pogo. Don's in his spot, still working. Mail came early, so I was able to grab my Legos. Yay! And the COVID people are gone from South Park. It had said they were going to be testing there for a week, and it's all packed up, so they weren't out there in the rain today. That's good, at least.
Hey.
Hey.
I'm sorry. I was just trying to put a small fire out.
Oh.
Just a little fire.
Okay. I'm good. I'm going to let you go back to your thing. I'm going to go open my Legos.
Oh, open my Legos.
So Dawn and I just installed this iris print
yeah, you can't.
light diffuser. Well, you can now that I'm close. It's not the same pattern as the one on the People garage door, but it's the same treatment. It's the same thing. I had picked this one up at Guardian Angel for $2. I think at Home Depot they're like 25 or 30 bucks. Yeah. So the blind wasn't working for Dawn, and it wasn't really working for me on Saturday and Sunday mornings. So hopefully this will be better. And it's gotten dark on us outside. We had like, I think, 1.5 inches of rain. Yeah, we had the cat bowls were full. I mean, it came down. Yeah. And Don wanted to do that guy thing and tidy cables. So I don't know if he's going to be able to have time to do that before dinner or not. But we're going to get the window done tonight. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, this is... Yep, that looks good. It's lit up now. It's lit up good in the camera. The camera's happy. Okay. Are you messing with their laying spot? Well, their bed, their, comfortableness, their...
It doesn't seem to affect them. They got just stuck their head underneath the cable and dove in there. And this guy's making do the best he can. The trash can. I didn't put the trash can up there. Somebody else put the trash can up there. But the trash can's on the bed.
Don had a new mount for the display on the left. That's the newer display. We picked it up on what he calls a fire sale on Amazon, the lightning deal. It was like $15. It'll actually hold both monitors, but the one on the right's so old it doesn't have a Versa mount. And anyway, he wanted to get them closer to the same height. And I think he succeeded. Can we eat now?
Absolutely.
Okay, it's 8, so it's like, it's time, and the steaks are done, so it's time. How's the height? Is it better for you?
Yeah, I think so.
I can see why it being at that level would be better.
Yeah.
It was at least 6 inches lower before.
Yeah. Okay, I got it. This is we're done. I'm shutting it down. I got my monitors. I guess technically I should move this down just a little bit there. And you click on identify, and this is now monitor number 2, and this is my main this is my monitor.
Right.
This is one I'll check my email on. This is the one I